And the meeting hasn't officially started yet, but now I can see everybody.
If we have Lynn and, oh, there's Peggy, yeah. Okay, we have Sam, so who else are we missing? We are missing, okay, Bert said he was gonna join via Zoom. So Bert's the only one.
Mhm.
Bev, do you want, I can sit on the side or do you mind if I sit at the table?
No, you can set
I'm
it,
sitting.
okay.
I just want to check.
What are you doing?
How are you? How are you?
Well, thank you. Haven't seen you on the course.
I know, it's been a long time. Well,
I didn't think you were here. I thought maybe you'd be out of town.
I've been in and out a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back. But I do go over to Kanoa, usually on Thursdays.
Okay. I've been playing Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Okay.
So I haven't seen you.
Yeah.
So if we have 5 on the committee, if we have 4 of us, we have a quorum, okay?
Actually, you have 3, right?
Pardon?
Only needs
Oh,
3.
yeah, and we've got me, Peggy, Sam, and Lanny, so we're good to go.
Okay.
And hopefully Lanny can join us. I'm gonna ask you about the minutes from March. I wasn't on the committee in March, and I don't think anybody else was.
I don't
I
think,
could be wrong, so how do we approve those?
I don't think you can.
Okay,
I'm going to, it's 1:30. Okay, I'm going to start the meeting, online meeting. And you can call the
okay.
meeting to order and
Okay, I'm Bev Lawless, Chair of the Audit Committee, and I'm just going to, our meeting is going to start, and I will call the roll. Bev Lawless here, Peggy Eagleman,
Here,
Sam Gorsline,
Here.
Bert Olson, Lanny Smith.
Here.
Okay, and I know Scott's not here, David Webster,
yeah,
CFO liaison. Okay.
I'm here.
So we're all here. We have a quorum. We have meeting minutes from the meeting in, oh, I'm supposed to ask if you want to amend or approve the agenda.
I move to approve the agenda.
second,
Okay, and approve the meeting minutes from March unless any of you were at the meeting in March. I don't do that.
I was on the committee, so I will move approval of the minutes.
Okay.
We stick with the agenda first. Sorry, we get approval of.
We did.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought we just did
Just
that.
did.
Okay.
Okay.
Everybody vote?
You, I'll get a vote.
Oh, yes, thank you. Becky. Okay, I'll vote to approve the agenda, please.
Rachel,
Aye.
Yeah, raise your hand.
All right.
Okay. And we, I'll vote to approve the meeting minutes from March. Did we have a second?
Second.
Thank you. I have no comments other than to remind you all that I'm not an accountant or CPA. I have no tax background. All of you have more knowledge on that than I do. So I'm pretty much gonna leave this in your hands. We need to review the 990 and try to, if you have any questions, ask them, any areas of concern, and David and or our CPA will get answers.
right. So I've got the first page of the 990 on the screen. Are there any questions or comments?
The only question I had was further back on the one schedule where it asked for the top 5 contracts and we have 4 listed. I didn't know if we just had lots of people tying for fifth place.
No,
Do you by chance know what page that is?
Well, it's I think it's Schedule O.
On page 10, 11,
Thank you.
it shows both page numbers, but you can guess which.
Happy, if you want to sit up here, you can. You're more than welcome.
Out here under the things.
Okay.
I have that as page 30, so this last one.
Page 30.
It's 29 of the document, it's our page 30.
if I could jump in.
Mhm, yes.
Okay, on page 11 of the return, the question, I think, is complete this table for your 5 highest compensated independent contractors that received more than $100,000
Okay,
of compensation for the organization.
okay.
And then he's right. If you flip back to the page, whatever, it lists 4.
Mhm.
So the question that was posed to me by the CPA over 12 months ago was list your contractors that you paid, independent contractors that you paid greater than $100,000 to.
Mhm.
And I had 4 and I listed them.
Okay,
Does that help to answer your question?
It
yes,
does-
thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're very
The
welcome.
confusing part, I think, is on, at least on page 30,
Mhm.
it doesn't say paid over $100,000.
Doesn't, okay.
No, on page 30, it doesn't. And I don't know where.
I can give you some-
But, yeah.
Background information that I believe that question has changed over the years,
Mhm.
plural.
Hmm.
But I feel like we are compliant in the response that we gave.
Okay. Any other questions, concerns, anybody? Anything you want to?
Well,
I have a question for David. So, David, our investment advisor, I think you budgeted under other expenses, $101,000 in fees for this year. Do they not, are they not considered a contractor, or how would they be viewed?
They are an independent contractor for the year that this tax return is for. My memory serves right, we paid them $75,000.
Okay.
Now, when they paid, that was taken out of our account.
Okay,
Do not write them a check for that amount. But I'm glad you asked that question because I asked Ralph and he said, yes.
okay,
If they were to be more than $100,000,
Hmm.
even though we did not pay them directly, we should include them.
okay,
We're not
Thank
in the year of this tax return.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And I think someone else had a question, wasn't it? I see that Bert has joined us. Hi, Bert, if you can hear me.
All right.
That's him up there.
No, I don't see him. But
Okay.
I see maybe it was you. Somebody else had a question. I don't remember.
Yeah, I just, in terms of the amounts, building excellence really stands out. They must be doing a lot of.
Contractor.
For GBR,
Doing contracting work for us.
contracting for the
Yes.
most part.
Construction, I should say.
For example, the Metal Arts building is just one. They just finished that,
Okay,
so.
and the other ones are pretty much maintenance, you got the air and plumbing.
Yeah, I believe so. Cool, really? That's those are AVAC.
Yeah, those are mostly capital expenses. New AC is one.
Okay,
What is Kenya Building and Design? Are
That their
Are
construction.
they more drafting and design plans or?
No, they actually
building
do
excellence
construction for
together?
us.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions, anyone?
on anything?
Anything?
Okay, we've got $2 million+ in the bank. Non-interest bearing. We need to keep that much in the bank, non-interest bearing,
I don't believe it's 2 million that we have in the bank non-interest.
because that's what it shows on what the page and
Really?
on page number 11. Cash, non-interest bearing, 2.582 million. And then they show savings and temporary cash investments, $610,000.
Which page 11 are you looking at? Because I don't see that kind of number at all. What section is it part of?
He's talking, I think 11 of the tax.
Okay, go ahead.
Top right,
All right.
top right.
All right, it could be. That's a good question because let's see here. That amount, I will tell you, is all the operating cash that we have.
Okay,
And over 2 million of that is with JP Morgan,
okay.
and that earns investment income.
Okay, well, I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah,
Because I was really surprised to
Mhm.
see that much money sitting in non-interest bearing account.
yeah, I don't know Why they pick-
Put that in there.
I don't know why they picked that category to put it in.
Okay,
Because if you look at 11, 12, and 13 lines, says investments publicly traded, investments other, investments program related. I don't know.
okay.
I don't know if there was a better line to put that on. I can ask.
I think this might just be a timing issue with our operating cash on January 1st.
Howie may be right.
Okay.
That's what I was thinking, timing.
January the 1st, we received hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm very sorry. I was trying to go from memory. I shouldn't have done that.
That makes a whole lot of sense.
Yes, good job, Howie. We keep them invested. Even the money that's in our checking account gets swept every night.
I'm glad to hear that. Having been in banking, I'm
Yeah.
glad to hear we're doing that.
Okay. Good question and good answer, Howie.
So the other question, it shows with the officers, you got 2 CFOs?
No, I think there's a typo.
Really?
Is that what that
I think it
is?
had Natalie is a CFO and she's
You got it.
COO.
David Webster's CFO and Natalie Whitman.
Natalie is Chief Operations Officer. That's, I thought I
What do we call
emailed
it?
that to somebody.
Good eye.
Well, we
That is a
would-
good eye.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where-
that's mistakes.
What page is that on again?
It's on
Page 7.
page 7 of the tax return, our page 11, to the bottom right.
That's right. Now she's got Natalie as CFO. She'd be
Yeah.
COO.
And I'm pretty sure I forwarded that to somebody, but,
Well, now we'll remember.
yeah,
Madam Chair, may I comment on this page as long as we're on it?
sure.
It's just a question and I raised it. Do we list the current president for calendar year 24 or calendar year 25? Because it has Marge
Mhm.
on page 1. And it has her on the page that we're at. Or do we list the current officers? It was
I would-
just a general question.
I would think, at least for the new stuff, that we would have, I would think we'd have the current.
This is last
president.
year's return.
No,
This
but
is
you-
the 994 last year's business and Marge was the president last year.
Right, but the question is when you file it in May and you have to sign it,
Mhm.
she is not the officer. And that it's just a question of how we handle it in the past.
I will tell you how we handled the past, that I give them a list of all the officers, the date that they started and the date that their term ended, and they fill out the return appropriately. And I believe that this should include on page 7, the officers of 2024.
Yeah.
Now, filing the return,
Yeah.
it's been my opinion that we use current officers to file the return, which basically means on the signature page,
Right.
whose name goes there.
Mhm.
And I have been of the opinion that it should be the current officer.
Yeah,
And they-
I agree with you, David.
That's my opinion, and I got one person to agree with me, that's
and
good.
well, many times the previous officer might not even be on the board.
It's true.
So Marge happens to still be on the board, but there are
Happens to
other
be.
years that they wouldn't even be on the board. So you'd have to use the current copy.
Mhm.
Well said. I already have one typo there on this page 7, where we'll change Natalie from CFO to COO. I will ask, when we actually file the return, I'll ask our CPAs
Yeah.
to show the current president to sign the return. Does that sound reasonable?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Bev had to step out for a call. Are there any other topics we need to discuss?
David, just a question. I think, did the audit committee meet electronically to approve this auditor for next year? I can't,
To approve the auditors, no,
or was there a meeting electronically? I'm just trying to remember the reports that were given at the board meeting.
I think we did, didn't we, David, at the very, didn't Nancy send us?
I think we voted
Shh.
online.
I think we did. I think you're right, Peggy.
unanimous consent?
Mhm.
Yes, I think that's what it was.
I think so. I'm glad you're here. You all are here to remember that.
Yeah.
But I believe it was unanimous consent.
Yeah, I believe the minutes may have also been approved through unanimous.
Oh, really?
Unanimous.
Consent. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure, but I kind of remember that, but I might be making it up.
Okay. She locked out.
Well, but it is a room full of seniors, so.
Well, and I'm one of them.
Well, right on their heels here too, so.
Sorry about that. We have a pest control guy coming to the neighbors. We have to make sure the dog's not outside. So,
Okay, I asked if there are any other questions. I don't know of any more. And I did mention that I'll change Natalie's title. I'll ask them to change it before they file, and that they'll put the current president for the signature.
mhm. Okay. Any other questions, anybody? None? Peggy, how about you?
No, my question was answered.
Okay, Bert, how about you? Or did he even make it?
He's
I thought he was. on.
he's showing as being present, but we can't hear him.
Okay.
Wait a minute, let me see if I can. Oh. Bert, can you hear us now? No, never mind.
Okay, so silly me, I don't know what to do next. Are we done?
I believe
Just tell them
so.
this looks good and they can sign it and send it.
Yeah, because basically
Well, recommend to the board to approve it.
to accept it,
Okay,
yes.
to accept it, yes.
I think it'd
Okay,
be fine.
All right.
We get a motion for that?
Motion to adjourn the meeting.
no,
No,
motion to
no.
accept the, you can, motion to
Darn.
accept the 90, and we need a second.
Second,
Does that motion include the minor changes like changing the CFO to COO?
A good point.
Well, then that was our only change, correct?
And the
I think
president,
Peggy's right. I think we have to have that. I think Peggy's right. I think we need a motion to accept the change.
Okay, all right. I can do that as chair, is that okay?
yes.
Okay, I motion that we accept the 990 with changing the CFO to Natalie to COO and to add the current president for our signature.
Second.
Thank
Okay,
you.
it's seconded.
Get a vote? Raise your
Everybody
hand if you
approve?
agree.
Peggy? We can
She
see,
said
okay,
aye.
good,
Okay.
good. Okay. Is that it?
That's it.
Yeah, it's okay.
I guess you got member comments.
Okay, do we have, do we need another meeting or are we done?
Yes, the next meeting will be when they bring the audit.
Yeah, you don't need to schedule it yet.
Okay, all right.
Uh,
And the next one will be, it won't be this, it'll be. something
The actual
more?
audit,
The actual audit, okay,
which is
Was that in March?
typically,
We'll have to get it.
okay. And when do we finish our term here? In March then? End of March, okay, so I'll still be here? Okay.
I think we do it right after the presentation of the audit to the board, do we not?
Pardon?
I think we do it, I think we are, the committee is on till the audit is presented to the board for approval, is it not?
that will be in March as well. Yes.
Yeah.
So this
I think our
committee,
term ends at the,
I'm sorry, that's my insurance guy. Yeah, can we adjourn? Everybody agree? Raise your hand.
agreed.
All right.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mhm.
Bye.
See you next week, David.
Okay, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Peggy.
Hi, I'm good.
Yeah, even though the meeting's over, just the minutes were from March. So my point is that your next meeting will probably be almost be at that same time. as the-
I remember last year when we were having a meeting with